Okay. Alright, we're buying some lotus seeds for the kids. Alright guys, we're back on the road on our way to the bamboo train again. Today we might try to mix it up, get some chicken. Sok mai in Khmer. I think the food is more enjoyable for the kids. It's going to be more memorable. They're going to get the full benefit from it. So I want them to get some quality protein to build a foundation of health as much as we can do in, you know, the short time that we're here. So yeah, that's what we're doing with the food donations. Yeah, apologies to Ash Eon. Left a comment about my French comment. I was just talking about the French pastries. I don't like the French pastries, like the croissants. So yeah, apologies there. Also, Odom is sick, man. He's got some kind of flu. Told him to get a bit of rest after this trip, but he had a punishing schedule. I think he told me he went to some friend of his grandmother's funeral today. So yeah, hopefully doesn't fall asleep at the wheel, because I was saying it's pretty dangerous. Dude said he went to bed at 10 a.m. and yeah. So if we make it out of here, I'm probably gonna. Yeah, over there. Yeah, we're not going to this duck place. We're going to a different one. Just that I might have a taste. I'll let you guys know which one has the best duck. Guys, we're back. We're back at this duck and chicken place that we went to last time. Today we're getting 3 chickens. Switch it up a little bit with the chicken. It's 22,000 Cambodian riel for the chicken. And she's chopping it up for us. It's tasty. Right, so today we're getting 3 chickens. Thanks to all the donors. Also thanks to Andrew Young, a dude from Hong Kong originally, but he's living in Vancouver, Canada now. Sent $100 and he wants it to be used for the kids in Cambodia. Right now we're getting this delicious looking chicken. Yeah, this street has a lot of chicken and duck vendors. A lot of good food on this street. We may pick up a couple of ducks from this woman down here as well. I think last time we got some ducks from her. They look less spicy. Okay, so this duck is less spicy. This will be better for the kids. Damn, this smells really good. Alright, we're getting a couple more ducks from this woman. It's 25k here for some reason, but we'll check it out. We'll see which one is cooler.
As there, one that only 22 because they that from Chinese, but that from the farm.
Okay, yeah. Maybe, yeah.
It's different.
Okay, yeah. We got one more. So we're getting 3 from here.
Yeah, because that from the Khmer farm.
Oh, yeah.
But they that from the Chinese.
Okay, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, she say like this.
Yeah, so she's renting this whole place, huh?
Yeah.
She's been selling here for 10 years. 10 years.
She rent 300 per month.
$300 a month.
Yeah.
Okay, pretty interesting. The other place, they rent only 100.
Yeah, they are.
The only place
Only
rent for
100 just outside place.
Ah, yeah, just the pavement to sell. The whole area.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's renting this whole place for 300. Oh, she lives here.
Yeah,
Okay. The other place they rent just 100 just to be able to put their cart outside someone's house, yeah?
Yeah.
Interesting. Interesting businesses up here. Oh, this is the guy, mate. This is this is the. Are they the same? Oh, he just buy the bread. How do you say bread in Cambodia? Pan. Nung pang.
Yeah.
Nung pang. Nung pang is bread. Sounds like pan in French. Ashion, shout out. Alright, so they got no more bread. Guess they ran out of bread. This crispy pork looks good, but I'm not a fan of pork. Alright, here's the bread, fresh from the oven. She gave us some free crispy pork to go with the bread. So what is her name? Kanta. Janta. 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 For 10 years they've been selling. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, this looks good, man.
No.
Yeah, this looks good. Yeah. Can she cut in half?
Yes, she will cut.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. This looks good, man. Very delicious looking food cart with all sorts of options, guys. Dark, fresh bread from the oven, and crispy pork rolls prepared on the spot. They've been here for 10 years. Can't remember her name. Song Ta. Okay, thank you. Okun. Okun.
Chắc là lúc 30 franc thì người ta 10,000 phi. 70.
I can take. Yeah, she can hold the bowl. I will take. Thank you, Marie. All right.
Bán lấy chênh ơi, cái trôn một đông.
All right, let's go. How are you, man? Good.
Muối. Sụp hẹ.
All right, let's go. All right. All right, let's go. Here, some chicken, some suck my.
Nước chan mà ở
Right here, here, here.
No, ban đấy không.
All right. All right, you can get. Damn, man. Hopefully everyone. Oh, not is there. Marie's doing a good job. Unfortunately, Bailin and some other kids are at school. Bailin at school, yeah. Right. Maybe we save some for later.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Chạy mang cục kia like qua đường sau.
Oh, wait. There's some kids coming now. There's some more children. This kid. This kid always looks angry. Oh, we got the bread too. All right. So yeah, I had to help them out a bit. But yeah, a lot of people feasting. And thanks to Marie and Odom. Oh, this kid didn't get any. I think. Did she get?
She get already.
Oh, yeah. Today's pretty dead because the bamboo train, you know, it's not running. Yeah, the bamboo train's not running, so there's less children here today. Also, some kids are at school, I think, like Bailin is at school. I think this kid wants me to cut a cucumber. They're off. Bye. Oh yeah, I asked Sampat why she wasn't eating. Odom said she wanted to eat with rice. Wants to eat with rice. Damn. So she wants me to buy these lotus seeds. How much?
5,000 tiền.
Okay. I buy. She can give them. Nemoi is free? Okay. Alright, we're buying some lotus seeds for the kids. You came too late. You came late. Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah, oh, Heng Lee home? Yeah, wait, we can give them the crispy bread roll, man, for Heng Lee and her. Because, you know, they're studying Chinese, man. They need to eat the crispy pork roll to speak better Chinese. Yeah, you can give this to Heng Lee and you. Yeah. It's pork. Can you tell her? And this is Nerod. Nerod. Her mother is a cleaner at a guest house.
Yeah.
And her father passed away. And she wants a bicycle or a school bag and books and pen.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. Well, maybe we'll see her in a couple of days.
Now her mother stay at Battambang province.
Oh, okay.
Not here.
Oh, okay.
Stay at her grandmother.
Oh, she's staying with her grandmother.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, we're gonna go home now. Alright, bye man. I'll see you. See you next time. Oh, Heng Lee finally showed up. Bye. Danat, you're going to go home now? Oh, okay, yeah. Alright. Alright, we'll head off.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys. We're just gonna go. We'll come back on Sunday, man. I'll come back Sunday. Sunday. Some pot. Right. Denat, are you okay? You look tired. Everything okay?
It's okay.
We will come back on Sunday. Maybe try to help you on Sunday. Oh, this is your uncle's bicycle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uncle
It's the seat. The seat is like messed up. You like new bicycle as well? Yeah. Oh, cool. All right, we're just. I guess we just head off now. Heng Lee and Nerod. Okay, we just head off now. These kids sitting by themselves. All right, let's go, man. Let's go.
Bye bye.
Okay. All right, kids, we're out. We're out. Okay, see you guys. We're out. Bye. Bye, Pani. Okay, see you then next time. All right, let's go, man. Bye. Okay, see you, kids. All right, see you. All right, later. Bye, bye. Not is not coming. Not is not gonna come. Oh, she's on a bicycle. Okay. All right, we're out. See you, kids. Bye. Bye, mate. Bye, bye.